They're both going at it. It's so funny.
The Huskies go for the throat. Get her, Cheech. Cheech, I do something.
Get up, Cheech! Cheech, get up! Oh no! Come on, kick her, Cheech.
Cheech can't do anything. Bella's got too much hunt in her. She's a hunter.
Get up, Cheech!
She's sloppy on the footwork now.
They're
Take
like
down.
really going at it right now.
Take down. Huskies are dominant. They're the hunting dog. A little agility, shake, get her a little tired. Chicha's done.
Cheech won't bite her. What is she doing?
She's using the weight.
Bella has her foot in her mouth. She's tired.
Chicha's not. Look at Scarface just chilling. Pointing at Scarface, he's just hanging out. Minding his own.
What are they doing? Bella is trying to go after her ankle.